What's up, you guys? This is me, Vince, again with another video. And today we're inside my truck, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this product that I got from a company called the Taco Garage, and it's called the DMM. It's basically a dash top multi-mount system for your whether your phone or your tablets. So for the first step, all we have to do is just remove this panel here. That's the only part that we're gonna work on. So what you're gonna do is just pull on this side first, and then on this side. See how easy is that? No worries on like trying to break some tabs, because it won't break. It's easily gonna come off. And now let's go to the next part. So this is pretty much the box that you get from Taco Garage, and when you open it, all the things that you need are pretty much going to be in there. So this is pretty much the slot that goes on top of your dash top. You got the ball and some hardwares. These are pretty much going to be the backing to that, to this part right here. As you can see, they have 4 different slots. You just have to align it. It's going to be like that. This goes here. This goes there. And this goes right there. So you're just gonna have to align it, and then just have to drill accordingly. So like I was saying earlier, this part right here goes on top of this panel. So there you go. You just put it on top like that, and it fits like a glove. So all you have to do is just clamp these parts so it doesn't move when you go ahead and drill it. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So now that you have everything drilled up, all you have to do is line up all these plates at the bottom and just try to place all the hardwares. So in putting all the hardware, what you're going to do is just put this screw on top, and at the bottom you put the lock washer first. It focuses. And then the washer, the nut. So now that you're done installing all the plates, all you have to do is just mount all of these balls to whichever location you want, or whichever slots. Alright, so moving back inside the cab, all we have to do is just return this panel where it was before. But before I do that, I want to point out something for you guys. So as you can see here, this is the power for my front-facing camera. So I pretty much have it plugged in the cigarette lighter, and as you can tell, for your Tacoma, we also have another cigarette lighter here inside your console. That's where I'm getting the power for my phone chargers. So I have an Android, and my wife has an iPhone. So it's kind of messy, to be honest. I have wires hanging around. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I actually bought this product here from Amazon. So what it's gonna do is gonna allow me to still plug that power in here, and also have 2 connections for my USB chargers. So the reason why I'm getting this is I want to have a clean install on my center console. So I'm gonna be routing that wire going this way and going that, and it's gonna come out of that DMM that I installed earlier. So as you can tell on this panel, I chipped a little part here where I'm gonna be inserting the cable, and like I said, I'm gonna route it all the way in there, and they're gonna come out of this part right here, this here. So there you go, guys. This is pretty much my setup for my phone and my tablet now. So I have the magnet for my phone. I just went with the magnet because it's just easier to put it on and just remove it whenever I need to. And I'll be putting my tablet here. I don't know if you noticed, there's my chargers right there for Samsung and for an Apple device. So that routes here and it goes down here. So this one is actually my power for my front facing camera, and I just, like I said, I bought this product here from Amazon, which allows me to plug 2 USB cables. I'll be putting the link for this product here, and I'll also be putting the link for the DMM from Taco Garage. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.